one thing that I'll tell you right away, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you have two clients. You have the actual business owner, and then you
Mm-hmm.
have an agency owner like myself who's looking to sub out and work with someone like you, right? So that you're accomplished. I'll tell you a couple things right away.
Mm-hmm.
So let's just go back to the home. The first thing is, if you can, I would try to get this up higher. I would
Okay.
love to see this new service announcement. I want it to be right in my face. Ideally, you would have this in the header of the website itself, but just make this logo smaller, because we want them to do something right away. Now, it could be new service announcement, but of course it was from December 2020. So maybe it's like learn on the go, or like learn copywriting on the go, or become a better copywriter, find out more, right? So whatever it is, you work the wordsmithing. Now, when I click on find out more, I get it that you're sending me to your services page. What I'd love to see, and what you are very, very familiar with, is some sort of table of contents or some sort of quick links where I can shoot down to each of these different sections.
Yeah. Okay.
I'd love to see that. So
Okay.
you can create little link anchors, text anchors, where you can pop them in so that I can shoot down to each of those things. The other thing,
Okay.
and I'm coming from an agency standpoint, but let's say that I put on the hat of my, you probably have seen her buses. Dakota Riley is one of my good friends and longtime clients. She's on all the back of the buses. Friends
too.
There you go.
Yeah.
So Dakota and I have been friends forever, and that's cool that you're friends with her too. And one of the things is we're always, I'm thinking about her. We're looking at press releases. We're looking at all those things. I'd love to see samples of your work right here. So link to it. But one of the big things that Google, says is we should have text links on here, or at least show me, like, have a thumbnail so that I can click and it opens a new window or tab and shows me your work. I'd love to see it from my end because it saves me time. Someone like her, a real estate agent or a lawyer who has no time at all, they just want to go quickly, do their due diligence, click, see something and be like, okay, I'm going to call her. I'll have my admin call her. Right. So I would just say those things are probably going to help you. The other thing is, if we're pushing the podcast, I mean, send them to the services page. Have it be, and I get that you're paying credence to David Yass and the Boston Podcast Network. I want to link, right? So this doesn't, it's probably links to the podcast. It does, but I want like a button or something that says, listen to the podcast now, open in Apple iTunes or whatever, right? Just those little things. Cause you got to think, I always think about the business owner that's just getting started, that may have heard about podcasts and they're all in, but they don't know what to do or where to click. So lowest common denominator. Otherwise, I mean, I see your portfolio, of course, you show this stuff, which is great. That's just where I want to see exactly. Again, I think of the weakest link, and are they going to click to that, or are they going to expect that you link to it? So you're doing the work for them. That's all. And I know you do good work. I've seen your work, and I think you're absolutely wonderful. So
thank you.
Of course.